What's going on, Drifttweakers? Matt back here. So today is actually Friday. We're gonna go to the shop and check out the new engine that came in. That's about all we're gonna do today, because on Monday we plan on starting to get the engine in. I'm not gonna be there for that, but I wish I could be. No, I'm not gonna be there for like the whole engine process because it's at a new shop. Same mechanic, my mechanic, but just a different shop, so there's different rules. Gotta respect everything. So we're gonna take the Honda right now, go check out the new engine, show you the car. But yeah, the engine's gonna be in real soon. I'm sure you guys know the process of what a motor swap looks like. It's not too interesting, but it is pretty interesting, honestly, in my opinion. But, like I said, I'll try to get down there to the shop as much as I can to get videos in between of the process. And I'll try to get as much as I can for you guys. But we're gonna go check it out, so we'll see when we get there. All right, guys, so we're in the Honda now. We're on the way to the shop. So the engine got to the shop, I would say, about 6 days ago, but there's just been some time in between. Kind of got to wait till Monday to get this process started. But, very thankful and blessed I have a shop to do this at. Although I won't be there for all the engine process, I can't be, but I wish I could be. But it's just how things go. But we're gonna show you guys that new engine. And I'm super hyped to just be back and just see what is to come. I'm sure you guys are too. Alright guys, here you go right here. Here's a new VHR. About 90K miles on it. So it's in the shop. That's about all I can show y'all right now until it's in. But you see it, pretty clean. We got that clutch on there. We'll just have to see which clutch is better, the one I already have or this one. But here it is on the tire. A little video for the flash. With the flash on it, as you can see, this thing looks pretty damn clean. We just hope it runs good. But starting in Monday, like I said, we'll come back and get some more footage of it. We're gonna throw the ISRs back on this. We just have to get it all bolted up with the headers. Not the headers. We're putting the headers back on. We have to get it all bolted back up with the missing studs that weren't on there from the first time. Caleb, you know about that, but that's the past. But yeah, you still did your thing. You put them on. Gotta give credit where it's due, my boy. That's the clutch right there. It looks like it could be aftermarket. Here she is right here, guys, the baby. It's been so long seeing her until I seen her. It's the first time I seen her in a minute. You already know what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna be back soon. I just miss my baby. She locked right now, the keys inside, but just wanted to show you the car. She looking too good over there. Do it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show you the motor. I know you already saw it on the thumbnail of one of the other videos, but I didn't get it yet. That was just a picture of on the listing. But there it is in person. Just wanted to show you guys. And yeah, the next videos will be, the progress of putting it in and getting that job done.